Forgetting the password of devices often occurs, and it may cost a lot of time and energy to recover or reset password if not doing correctly. This video will introduce 4 easy password resetting methods of Hikvision devices that can set you free from extra trouble. The first method is reset password via reserved email. This is the most recommended method as it requires no internet access of your devices. The only thing you need to do is set email address in configuration user page to receive verification code or password resetting. When forgetting password of your devices, go to Forgot Password page and choose Verify by Reserved Email. Run Hik-Connect app on the mobile phone. Tap More button to find Reset Device Password to scan the keyword code on device. The verification code will be sent to the reserved email address within 5 minutes. Input the received verification code and then you can create a new password. The second method is to reset password via Hik-Connect app. Please note that your device should be connected to the internet and added to the Hik-Connect account. When forgetting the password of your device, go to Forgot Password page and choose Verify by Hik-Connect app. Log into your Hik-Connect account that bounds your device and scan the QR code on your device. You will get a verification code. Input the received verification code, then you can create a new password. The third method is to reset password via security questions. For this method, your devices are not required to connect to internet. Just go to Configuration User page. Choose Security Questions and set answers. When forgetting the password of your device, go to Forgot Password page and choose Verified by Security Questions. Input the correct answers, then you can create a new password. The fourth method is reset password via GUID file. You could reset your password by this way without internet access, especially for information-sensitive users. First, please insert the USB flash disk to your device, then go to Configuration User page, export the GUID file to the USB flash disk. Every time you change the password, you need to export the latest GUID file. When forgetting the password of your device, go to Forgot Password page, import the GUID file of the device you exported earlier from USB flash disk. Then you can create a new password. Please note that not all Hikvision devices support all the format is above. You can go to Forget Password page to check the method supported for certain product. And if you want to reset the password via web page SADP tool or IVMS 4200, the computer and device need to be in the same local area network. There you have it. 4 ways to easily reset password. We hope this video is helpful for you when you need resetting password. We'll see you in the next video.